Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will know that what is the best time to take Centrum Multivitamin and for how many months we can use Centrum Multivitamin. In my YouTube channel, I uploaded already videos regarding all the ranges and types of Centrum Multivitamin. Centrum Multivitamin can be used in the morning after breakfast or in the afternoon after the lunch. Do not use Centrum Multivitamin with tea, coffee or milk. Always use Centrum Multivitamin or any other multivitamin with water. Kindly be noted that Centrum Multivitamin or any multivitamin can be used from 3 to 6 months to get the maximum desired effects and benefits. If you have any questions related to this topic, please write down in the comment box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay happy and safe. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.